Have you been dreaming of traveling abroad or studying abroad, or you just don't think that it's possible just because you're broke? Guess what? In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a fully funded conference in Canada. They'll pay for your flights, your accommodation, your feeding, your transportation, and everything that you need. I mean, what can be better than that? If this is something that you are interested in, keep on watching this video all the way till the very end. And if you're new here, go ahead and introduce yourselves in the comments. I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your massive. I see you guys. I see your comments. Thank you for all that you do. And if you're seeing me for the very first time, let me also go ahead and introduce myself as well. My name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share 3 videos every single week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So besties, let's get right into today's business. Make sure that you introduce yourself in the comments because I really, really want to know you and I want to meet you. Without further ado, let's get right into today's business. Come with me. Let's go. Let's go. Besties, have you heard of One Future Conference? I mean, imagine traveling to Canada, meeting 500 plus young leaders from over 150 countries, learning, networking, and shaping the future of the world without paying for flights, without paying for accommodation, without paying for feeding. Does that sound unreal? Well, stay with me because the One Future Conference 2026 in Toronto, Canada is now open, and this could be your once in a lifetime opportunity. Now, what is the One Future Conference? In case you're wondering, the One Future Conference 2026 is a 4-day global gathering designed for young leaders, innovators, entrepreneurs, and change makers from all backgrounds. I mean, this is not just a conference, so it is a future focused experience that is featuring powerful keynote speakers. Yes, so you also get interactive panels, you get hands-on workshop. Yes, you're gonna have high-level networking sessions as well. I mean, what can be better than that? And guess what? It will take place in Toronto, Canada, right when the FIFA World Cup is happening, meaning that there's going to be global energy. There's going to be exposure and unforgettable vibes. The location and the dates, guys, it is happening in Toronto, in Canada. That's what they call it, in Toronto, in Canada. The theme is multidisciplinary exploration of the future, which means that no single field is favored, whether you are in tech, whether you're in education, climate action, business, media, health, fashion, policy, or social impact, you belong there. Now, let's go ahead and talk about the part that everyone loves, which is the funding part. If selected for a fully funded seat, here is what you get. You get a round trip airfare, return tickets, to and fro, accommodation in Canada, daily meals, full conference access. You also get networking with global leaders. And on top of that, you get one exceptional delegate will receive a $2,000 grant to support your project or your initiative. Yes, this literally pays you to grow. Now, here is the breakdown. They have fully funded seats. They have partially funded seats. Please note, yes, the competition is strong, but the application is very, very accessible if you apply early and if you apply strategically. Now, who can apply for this conference? You can also go and do your own external research. So you can apply. You are eligible between the ages of 18 to 35. If you're from any country, yes, you can apply. Any country at all. If you're a student, a professional, an activist, founder, creative, if you're passionate about the future, and the best part is no IELTS. Your field, your degree, your background does not disqualify you. Yes, so here is the application details. The application method is online. You have to apply online through the official One Future Conference website. It is rolling. The deadline, it means this video never expires, so it happens periodically. But early applications are strongly recommended, especially if you want funding. Funding is limited though, so early applicants have a higher chance of selection. And here is why you should apply, guys. This conference can actually help to expand your own global network. Yes, it can strengthen your resume, your CV, and your leadership profile. It can also open doors to international opportunities for you, and it can position you as a future global leader. I mean, opportunities like this don't come very often, and when they do, they change lives. So guys, what are you waiting for? If you're really serious about applying, I have dropped the official application link in the description. So make sure, don't sleep on it. Start early, be authentic, and apply with confidence. I mean, apply, like I always say, apply even if you think that you don't qualify. And if you want more fully funded conferences, more scholarships, and more global opportunities like this, come and join this channel. Yes, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you never miss out on all these juicy details. Maybe I'll see you in Canada. Yes, so Who knows? You don't know if I've applied. You don't know if I want to go, if I have interest. So yes, go ahead and apply, because in my next video, I'm going to be sharing another fully funded conference that is happening in Switzerland, and you don't want to miss it for anything. If this video has blessed you, you know how it is. Like this video, share this video with your friends, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. So now, those of you that are asking for fully funded conferences, this is one of them. Oh, you can say I'm working for you guys day and night. So go ahead and apply for this conference and also share it with your friends. At this point, I'd like to say a big thank you to my amazing Patreon members. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for your love and your incredible support. I see you guys and I truly appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. God bless you real good. And if you'd like to be part of my Patreon community, just go ahead and use the link in my description as well as the link in my comments. Join my Patreon community, and you can also join channel membership. There is a join button right next to the subscribe button. It gives you the same perks, pretty much the same perks as though you're joining my Patreon community. You can actually book a one-on-one consultation with me. We can discuss all things grants, scholarships, and all of the good stuff. So go ahead and join my Patreon community, or you can join my channel membership. That join button right next to the subscribe button. You can also click on it and join any tier of your choice. No pressure, no pressure, guys. So that is it, guys. Also note that I am open for business inquiries and collaborations. I am available. All you need to do is pretty simple. Just shoot an email, send me an email, send an email to ceo@chassiseverything.com. Email ceo@chassiseverything.com, and for business collaborations and inquiries. And of course, sign up for my email list, guys. How many are we on this channel? We're 8,000. 8,000 amazing subscribers. If I have your email list, that would be amazing. So please go ahead and join my email list. Sign up for my email list. You'll find the link in the description as well as in the comments too. As for my Telegram channel, do you know I have a Telegram channel? Oh yeah, go ahead and join. Yes, join my Telegram channel and let us do stuff together, big stuff together. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and join me on this channel every Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And if you're new here or you are yet to introduce yourself, you already know my God is watching you. Introduce yourself in the comments. I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? So guys, I want to encourage you today. If you find any opportunities on my channel, scholarships, fully funded conferences, and what have you, even if you don't qualify, give it a shot. Yes. Yeah, so do you know that you lose 100% of the shots that you never take? You lose 100%. Yes. So go ahead and apply, even if you think that you don't qualify. Just in case. You never know. You may be a winner. Now, I have a good information for you guys as well. If you're someone that loves movies, this is just, by the way, if you're someone that loves movies, but you don't know what movie recommend, you don't have good movie recommendations, I'm happy to introduce to you this platform. It's called filmcurator.io. filmcurator.io. Go ahead and join this platform. And yes, if you use my link, it's going to be free for you. You don't need to pay to subscribe to this Film Curator platform. And that's about it, guys. Till I see you in my next video, take care of yourselves and God bless you. Bye for now.